Hi, Manav. Thank you. Thank you. I love it so much too. I thought it was matching, so I wore it today. Oh my god, from Egypt. That is so cool. Hi, Aki. Hi to everyone from Bombay. Oh wow, I have so many requests here. Okay. I think that Naira is going to be on very soon. Yay, she's here. Hi.
Hi everybody. It's so good to see so many of you here with Sana today.
Good
Lovely.
morning.
It's good evening here, so yeah, it's an evening workout for me. Okay, guys. So just a little bit on the workout. I hope you're ready to work out with Sana. Take this time to really get moving. And you know what Sana and I really want you to do is add some movement and some good health to your life. It's
Yes.
really not an intimidating workout. It's not very tough. We've kept it easy for you to follow along. So please join us and just one thing before we start the main workout. I'll already start jogging, okay? Before while I talk, I already want you
Oh
to
my
jog,
god, but
get
I
yourself
can't
warm
jog
up.
and hear what you're saying.
So just one thing I want you guys to know, a lot of people tell me I can't work out because I don't have any equipment, okay? So here's to tell you that your body is your best piece of equipment. Use it, okay? You don't need any more equipment. And if you want to add any more intensity or rather variety, you have some very simple home equipments which we are going to show you how to use now, which is just a simple chair. Okay? All right. So Sana, are you ready to start moving?
Yep, let's go. Oh my god, I have music playing in
Okay.
the background. Wait. Should I start it or is
Okay.
it okay? Is it disturbing y'all?
I think it should be okay. Sana, you just want to check your comments and also just check if I can see you full length
Okay,
once
guys,
you
I'm
go
gonna switch
back.
off these comments for the next 20 minutes, and then after that, if you guys have any questions, we'll answer how much ever we can. And let's have a fun workout. Let's have a cool workout. I hope you guys enjoy what we are doing, and I'm sending you all so much love. Okay, done.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, Sana. So, Sana, we start with two moves. I'm going to take you to lower body, move you to all
okay,
abs and upper body, and end with some abs and core work as well. Okay. So, we're
okay,
starting with something very simple. I have a regular dining chair here. It could be a bench, a stool, or a chair, whatever works for you guys. We're going to do single legged squat. Every move today is about 30 seconds of work and 15 seconds of recovery. Okay. So,
okay,
this is where we are standing tall in front. Also take some distance from the chair because I don't want you to really sit down. Okay, I want you to just tap your hip to the edge of the chair. Keep one leg off the chair. Breathe in down, breathe out up. Okay, if you see my leg is hung, I'm not touching the chair. Breathe in down, breathe out up. That's all you need to do for 30 seconds on each leg. All right. If
okay,
for those of you who have any injury or who find this tough, give me a regular squat. Put your hip on the chair and squeeze your glutes as you come up. Okay, Sana. So we are going to time you for 30 seconds.
okay.
Okay. All right. Are you ready to start the
Yeah.
timer? Okay. Three, two, and one. Go. Breathe in down. Lovely. Breathe out up. Breathe in down. Lovely. Breathe out up. Only 30 seconds, Sana. So that really shouldn't be a lot. All right. That's about 15 up, and we have 15 seconds more to go. Superb, guys. I hope you're moving along with her. 10 seconds to go. Breathe out up. Nice. Keep going. Keep going. And five, four, three, two, and one. Take a little release there on that leg which was working. It already gets you, yeah. Sometimes 30 seconds is enough to get your heart rate and your movement going. We're going to switch legs. Okay, take another breather, take another five, and then you're going to switch the leg that you were using. And you're going to move to the left leg this time. Keep the back aligned. Ready? Three,
Yeah.
two, one. Breathe in down, breathe out up. Super. Keep going. Another 15 seconds. I'm putting your timer. Yes, it's on. Super. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right here. All right. Another 15 more. Lovely. Looking great. Good form, Sana. Breathe out up. And you have a 6. Count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Okay, recover. All right, moving down to the floor now, okay? So you're going to lie down. I see you have a mat there. I don't, but that's all right. Okay, I'm going to get down on the floor. Get the legs planted up at right angles. Keep your heels dug into the chair, okay? Plant your full palms down and you're going to get your hip to the highest point possible, which is breathe out up, okay? Breathe in. Just tap the floor. Don't leave your weight down, guys. Just tap, squeeze. Just tap, squeeze, all right? For 30 seconds. Okay. Everyone up? Yeah, Sana, take your position. Lying down. Yeah, I'll be able to see you. We'll be able to see you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. And we have a 3, 2. Time starts now. 1. Go on. Oh, lovely. Breathe out, up. Breathe in, down. 10 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. That was some good glute work. We're going to come back to the second circuit, okay? This is your first circuit now. Going into a little bit of core plus arm work there. So we're doing mountain climbers. What you want to do is bend over the chair, get your arm perpendicular and aligned. Step back from here. Don't take the arm line behind, okay? Keep it here.
Okay.
Hips squeezed and tucked, and you're just going to jog into this move, keeping your neck, back, everything straight in a one slant line. Keep breathing rhythmically. Okay, ready? 30 seconds. And 3, 2, go. Start. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's almost 15 up. Okay. 10 to go. Breathe easy. 5, 4. Lovely. 3, 2, and 1. Superb. Release. Okay, you're getting your 15 seconds recovery while I'm showing you the next exercise, okay? So I'm not timing it anymore. Okay, in the next round, we'll time it, exactly to 15. So here we are. You again get back to the exact same position that you took. Okay, your wrist has to be nicely stacked. Get a nice plank position. You're going to try and get your chest to the bench. Breathe out, up, okay? Neck aligned. So breathe in, down. Breathe out, up. That's your push-up, incline push-up. Those can get tricky. Guys, if you can't go all the way to the bench, that's totally fine. Halfway is fine. Don't compensate on the back, okay? 3, 2, ready, Sana? Breathe in, down. Breathe out, up. Lovely. Slow, controlled movements. You're on your toes. Your heels are off. Superb. Lovely. Breathe out, up. Good push-ups. Those can get you in 30 seconds, guys. I can guarantee you that. Breathe out, superb. Belly sucks in on every out breath. Last 5, 4, 3, 2. I can hear the huffing, and 1. Okay. Superb. Okay. All right, giving your upper body a little breather. You're moving to seated crunches, okay? So you're going to get a nice sit on your edge of the chair. Don't relax into it too much. Keep your heels down. I need you to sit back a bit to engage the core, okay? So no hunching, no rounded back, guys. Sit back a bit. And just like your regular bicycles, you're going to go twist, twist, twist. Just ensure that your twist is not from the elbow, but from your torso completely, okay? When you ground the feet, don't lapse them either. They're active feet. They're on your heels, okay?
Okay.
On the chair, 3, 2, everyone at it, I hope, and 1. Superb, start. Keep going, breathe out as you lift and rotate. Nice, breathe out up. Guys, all we want you to do is move with us, okay? Just get in some nice movement and breath and circulation as you do this. And she has another 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lovely, Sana. I hope you can feel your abs in just 30 seconds there. Okay. Moving back to the upper body, but also to a small muscle in your body, which is your tricep. But I can tell you that while it's called the tricep dip, it's still going to get your legs and core as well, okay? So you sit on your chair, face the palms in the same direction of your torso. So a lot of people tend to sit like this. We want to sit like this, okay? Get out of the chair and look like a perfectly right-angled body. You drop till you have a nice angle even on your shoulders and elbow. Breathe out, squeeze, okay? Breathe in, drop. Breathe out, squeeze, and try avoiding sinking from here. So we want to stay upright on the chest and shoulder. This is
my
your last
God,
exercise on the circuit. Come on, guys, let's get this done. Ready, Sana?
Yeah.
Okay. And 3, 2, time starts now. 1, go. All you guys in India, it's evening. It's a great time to close your day to get some circulation. And all you guys in LA, it's a great one to get you started, okay? Come on.
So we have
I
so
hope
many
you're
from
moving.
Hong Kong. Did you see? We have
It's
so many from Hong
amazing.
Kong, Sydney, Egypt. How cool is
Lovely.
that?
That's amazing. 6. Few more, Sana. 5. Push, push, push. 4, 3, 2, and release. Okay.
Ooh,
You get
this
a
one is
little bit
good.
longer
Yeah.
recovery, which is about 30 to 45 seconds. We want to make it
Okay.
a quick, intense burst, okay? You're going to repeat everything we did, going back
Okay.
to the single-legged squat. This
Okay.
time, I'm going to move a little bit faster. Okay, so
Okay.
I can already see the huff, but we're going to get it going. Okay, so walk
Okay.
around, release a bit, and quickly come back. We repeat your circuit in round 2. This is our last round, guys. Move, move, move. Okay, stand tall. I'm starting right leg first, which is this for me. 3, 2, leg off the floor. Glutes to the edge of the chair. Breathe in 1. Squeeze and tuck. Breathe in 2. 3. Don't leave your full weight. Just try and tap the chair and come back to position. Super. Keep going. 10 seconds more. And 5, 4, 3, 2. Quick release there. Quick release. And we have a change in side. Release. Nice. Nice. Looking good, Sana. Okay. You're back in 5. Okay. 3, 2. Side change. Go. Start. Breathe out. Up. Breathe in. Down. So as you see, guys, she's getting some great squats in there. Her back is nice and straight. Chest is upright. Shoulders are pulled down. She has a nice active leg, the one that is straightened out, which is brilliant. And a lovely right angle on the leg that she sits down on. Okay, this is great quadricep work right there. And in 6, 5, who remembers what's the next exercise? 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nobody? Okay. We're still on the glutes. We're still on the glutes. We're getting down for bridges. So
Okay. Yeah.
lie down, adjust your hip, get into position. Okay. Heels on the chair. Superb. Okay. Perfect right angles on your knees. Flatten your palms to pick yourself up. And 3, 2. Time starts now. Breathe out up at the highest hip bridge point possible. Superb. Nice, guys. She's got great form going there. I want you to think about squeezing your glutes as you go up and also tilting your pelvis forward. While you watch her, a forward pelvis tilt is this, okay? A tuck and a squeeze on the glutes. So as you do this, you're going to squeeze the glutes as well. You're going to go in 5, 4, 3, lovely Sana, 2, and up for mountain climbers. And release. Nice. Just prepare. By the time you prep up, it's 15 seconds. Quick walk around, release. Remember your mountain climbers. You're in plank here.
Yeah.
Flat back. Okay. Come, start. Step back. Hips down. Get your plank. 3, 2. You can keep the elbows soft if you want. And go. Superb, guys. Incline mountain climbers. So you see she's using the chair to her advantage in the best possible and the most simplest possible manner. You have 10 seconds there, Sana. Breathe through it. It's round 2 and 5, 4, lovely. 3, 2, quick release. Awesome. Ready for push-ups?
Oh God, yes.
Yes. Come on, let's get it done.
It's like I love push-ups and I hate push-ups.
Yeah, I totally agree.
I
It's
have
one of those
such a love and hate
exercises.
relationship with it. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go
Woo!
for it. Ready? It
Yeah.
truly is one of those. Step back, get your plank right, arms perpendicular, squeeze the glutes, take your core, embrace it, and drop. Breathe in down, breathe out up. Superb, guys. She's got great push-ups there. Lovely. She's got a nice stacked straight alignment on the body, which is something you want to look out for. Okay. Usually I find people break at the hips in push-ups. They either dip it or pop it. So if you're doing that, just bring some consciousness. And you have 5 more. I can hear all that breath. 4. Come on, go for it. 3. 2 more. 2. 1 more. And release.
Woo!
Nice. Okay. Last 2 exercises on our circuit. One is your crunch and second is your tricep dip. And I can tell you we covered most of the large and small muscles in your body, okay? So we're seated here,
Okay.
edge of your mat, edge of your chair. Ready?
Crunch.
You remember that? Yes?
Yeah.
This is like a seated bicycle. But first thing to do is to sit back. That's already going to tighten and you can feel your core, right?
Yeah.
You already feel that core by just sitting like this. And then we add in the twists or the cross crunches. Go, breathe out, lift. The more you sit back, guys, the more you feel that core moving and working, okay? Breathe out. She's doing a great job because she also isn't planting her full foot down, which keeps her pretty much in the air and keeps her abs totally engaged. Come on, Sana, you have 5. Keep going. 4, 3, quick sets, but short burst intensity. 2 and 1, recover. Okay, release. Moving into tricep dips. Okay, your last one, and I'm going to help you with a cool down on the chair itself. All right, ready for your dips?
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, palms
Let's
facing the
do
same
this.
direction. Super.
Okay.
Palms facing there. Get off the chair. You have a perfect
Okay.
chair position on the body itself.
Mhm.
Nice. Drop. Squeeze and up. Drop. Guys, elbows, try to keep them close to your torso and not flaring. And also avoid sinking from the shoulder. Okay, so that's a very important one. She's doing a great job there. Lovely. Breathe out is up. As you see, it's tricep heavy, but it gets your abs and your legs. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Superb. So what does that feel like, Sana? How do you feel?
I think it feels great because it's literally like so short-lived, but I can still feel it.
Feel the
which
burn,
is
yeah.
so cool. But I think the most important thing is to kind of pay attention to that muscle. Otherwise, you can just get
Yeah,
away very smoothly.
true,
So I
true,
think the most
true.
important thing is to kind of like know when you're doing a tricep, like where
Right.
is your focus, or when you're doing a
Yes.
crunch, like where is your focus? Yeah,
Focus. Absolutely. It's totally about mind-body connection. I completely
yeah.
agree on that one. Okay. Yeah, let's cool down a little bit using the chair itself. Okay, now this is going to give you some nice stretching on the chair. Okay, guys. So those of you who don't have great flexibility, your leg can be here. If you feel like, okay, I have great flexibility, your leg can be here, so I'll
What is
leave it
that?
to you. Okay, I'm
What is it
wondering if you
called?
can put it that. No, if that's not sturdy, you
Not
can go down,
study.
Sana. That's fine. We can go
Okay,
here. Okay, that's fine too. We're
okay.
gonna breathe in, reach out up, and breathe out down. As you go down, look upward from under your arm towards the sky, and just breathe into that entire side abdominal area where you feel the stretch. From here, turn over to the front, facing your chest towards your thigh now, and just lower. Breathe out lower, breathe out lower, and breathe out. Work on getting your chest towards your thigh, guys, and slowly walk back up. We'll keep this leg up. From here, both arms, breathe in, center, face the hip to me, and we lower down to tap this leg now. Breathe out. Super. Come on, go for it. And slowly, guys, work on getting your chest towards your thigh. A nice deep stretch there. And we'll repeat this to the other side. So I'm going to just switch over my side.
I'm just not gonna switch.
Yeah, that's okay. You can just turn. You can just turn. We can see you from the
Okay.
back, which is okay. Breathe in. Side stretch. You know the three stretches, Sana. You don't have to look at me. It's fine. One is your side stretch. Look at the sky. She has a lovely pool right there in a beautiful background. Just stretch to the sky and turn over. Sana, get your chest towards your thigh. We are now facing that leg. Lovely. And lower. Keep lowering. Slowly walk back up, and we're going to touch the toes now. Breathe in, the toes of the foot, that's down. Lengthen and breathe out, down. Lower. Superb, guys. Superb, superb. And slowly climb back up. One last stretch there, which is a really nice one. Just plant your palms, push your hips back, and drop. Just drop. Try and get a nice flat back. Hips right above your feet. And really stretch into it. Slowly breathe out and come up. That should already release your entire body. Nice.
Woo, that was
That's a
cool.
little short, sweet workout right there
Yes,
to get your
that
day,
was
okay?
fun.
I
Okay, should I
hope
put
you guys
on
enjoyed it. Yes, you can put on your comments. We can answer some questions if
turn
there are any.
on? Yay, I love you. That's what I saw. Oh God. Okay.
Sweet. Okay, we can. I'm also checking some comments. Someone wants you to say their
Hi,
name.
Priyanka.
Okay, Sana, they're calling you a
This,
superwoman right there.
why can't I read these comments?
I'm
Where are you reading
scrolling up.
this?
I'm scrolling
Oh,
up to
you're
see.
scrolling up. I'm like, I can't see anything.
Superb,
Hi, guys.
superb.
Thank you so much for being here. I hope whoever did this workout enjoyed it. Whoever didn't get a chance while doing it live, we're going to save this video on our
Yes,
IGTV. So you can always come back and do a quick workout. I know it looks very
right.
short-lived, but it really is not if you can pay attention to your muscles and really go for it.
Yes.
So I hope you're going to do this at home, and I hope we can come back and
I
do
hope
more
you do
workouts for
this,
y'all.
guys. And let us know what it is. Do these
Yes, I'm
workouts. She has
going to
one more
save this video.
IGTV. Yes. So you have one more IGTV there. So I want you guys to actually do the workouts and DM us and let us know what you think about it. What is it you want to do? or you want Sana to do, with the fitness bit, and I'll design it for you. Okay. So I'm so glad all your followers are here, and hopefully we get them to move and be healthy. All right.
Yay! Thank you so much for being here. Sending so much love to everybody.
Super.
Okay, I have to say this name, Sayada. If I got that name right. I heard it like 3 times. Okay, I'm putting this off. Bye.
Bye,
Thank you,
guys.
Nailu.
Take
Bye. See you
care.
all. Bye.